Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Either way, I'm so excited to have you guys here today. I am going to be doing part 1 of my fall decorating series here on my channel, and I am going to be starting out with the kitchen today. Now, usually on my channel, I would do all of my decorating in one video, and I would just put up one big fall clean and decorate. But this year I'm going to be doing things a little bit differently on my channel, and I'm going to be breaking up every room into its own video. That way, if you need inspiration for a certain room, you can just watch that video and have tons of ideas for fall decorating in that certain area. So that is what I'm going to be doing today, and I'm going to be starting out in my kitchen. It is the heart of my home. It's where we spend a lot of time as a family, and it's one of the very first rooms that I'm really itching to decorate for fall. And if you guys are new to my channel today, my name is Whitney. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have 3 kids, and I do all things homemaking, lifestyle, home decorating, cozy vibes, motherhood, all the things here on my channel. So if that sounds like something that you guys are interested in, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button and join the family, and leave me a comment down below letting me know where you are watching from and if you're excited for fall and how you are decorating your home for the fall season. I am starting with a clean slate today. I decided to go in and take down all of my previous decor that I had out on my countertops, and now I'm just going to get in and wipe everything down before I begin decorating. It's something that I like to do before I style any space, is just make sure it's nice and clean. I'm also going to be wiping down the backsplash. It's something that I haven't done in a while and just really needed to be done on this day. And I do have the Mrs. Meyer's apple cider scent inside of my spray bottle, so it's really just making things feel very festive while I'm cleaning and just preparing me for all of the fun decorating that I'm going to be doing in the kitchen. Once I am done wiping down all of the countertops, I am going to begin styling over by the oven. I originally had my set of knives on the other side, and I moved it to this side to kind of balance out the wood tones that I was going to be adding throughout the kitchen. And I do have a couple of cutting boards here. One of them is from Hobby Lobby a few years back off clearance, and the other one is from the Target Dollar Spot last year. And then I'm adding this fun little picture that I also found from Target with some fun wooden spoons. Now, I will have everything linked down below, and if I cannot find a link, I will have some kind of dupe or something similar to it. That way you guys are able to find everything easily down in my description box. In this corner, I added this really fun arrangement. This was from the Hearth and Hand collection last year, so I don't think they have it, but again, I will find something similar. And then I'm just adding one of her cookbooks here. And a really fun way you can kind of add a little touch in your kitchen is displaying a fun festive recipe, and I thought this one was nice with the buttered walnuts or pecans, and it just had those neutral tones that I was going for in the kitchen as well, so I thought that would be really fun to display. And then I just added that little pumpkin to the side, and again with some more wood tones in here. I did get these cutting boards from HomeGoods, but again, I will try to link things that are similar. And then on my island, I'm adding these really beautiful rust florals. Now, I got these from Joann Fabrics like 3 years ago, so I know that they probably don't have anything like this, but you can find very similar florals actually at Target, and they do have some at Hobby Lobby as well. I'm adding this little cutting board tray that I got from the Target Dollar Spot to create a fun fall vignette, and I'm just adding a pumpkin and a candle, and then I'll be adding some cinnamon sticks as well. I just thought it was the perfect finishing touch on this tray, and it just makes it look very cozy and festive for fall. Another way you can warm up your kitchen for fall is adding a cozy, warm-toned rug into your space. And I got this rug off Amazon. It's the Low-Lie rugs. I've heard great things about them. I feel like a lot of influencers use these, and I love it. It's really soft, but it's also kind of padded, so it feels really nice on your feet when you're walking around in your kitchen. And then I did just add that wreath that I got from the Hearth and Hand collection last year to my pantry door, but I do believe they have something similar, or I know that they have similar garland, so you could always recreate that wreath if it's something that you're interested in. So I'll leave that garland link down below. And then to my coffee bar, I'm just adding a couple of little touches. I actually already had these rust colored mugs displaying on my coffee bar, so I just added that wheat wreath that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I moved some of my canisters that I had on the table up into the slots of the actual coffee bar holder. And then I'm going to be creating another fall themed vignette here in just a minute using another tray that I found from the Target Dollar Spot over the winter time. And then I'm just adding again a little fall floral, a pumpkin, and some cinnamon sticks to touch that off. And that is actually going to be it for my fall decorating in my kitchen this year. I love how minimal but festive it is, and I'm really loving the more neutral and muted tones for the fall season this year. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and you leave my channel feeling inspired and maybe have some ideas to decorate your home for fall this year. And definitely stay tuned for the rest of my decorating series. I'm so excited to share with you guys all of the ideas that I'm going to be displaying in my home. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!